I would like to welcome all of you in lesson number 20 for grade 1 mathematics. Guys, we are studying about division and we have learned different ways to solve the division questions and to answer the division. Okay. And in the last class, we were practicing for that. Today, we are going to practice the division again. With you, I am going to solve some questions and I will come to you. I will ask you. Okay. Before that, I'll make you understand. I'll repeat one questions with each method, and then I will come to you. The method you find easy, you will use that method for solving the division. Let's come to the book question which we completed on page number 79. There are 3 questions, guys. Question number 1, share equally into 2 groups. So if you want to share into 2 equal groups, so you can share it one by one. Okay, so one by one, how you can share? You can give this one to group 1 and this one to group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's suppose you give 5 to group 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to group 2. Still there is one left. You give this to group 1 and this to group 2. And then you can check your answers, how many total objects are there. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you make 2 groups, and in each group there are 6 objects. So you can write the answer, that is 6. This is one of the way by sharing into equal groups, by grouping them one by one. Okay. Okay, if I talk about that divide, let's suppose these x by using repeated subtraction method. So what is repeated subtraction method, guys? Repeated subtraction method. In repeated subtraction method, you will check your divisor that you are going to distribute into how many equal groups. Like in question number 2, you are distributing 10x in 2 children, in 2 groups. Once you know that you are going to group into 2, you are going to divide into 2 groups. So you will keep subtracting from the total, from the number, until you reach 0. So you are dividing 10 in 2. It is 10 divided by 2. So keep subtracting 2 from 10 until you get 0. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. When you reach the 0, check how many times you subtracted to reach 0. So you subtracted 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and 5 time. That's why the answer is 5. This division method is called repeated subtraction method. Okay, these are the 2 methods which we have revised now. One method always available for you guys. This is multiplication. If you are dividing 12 by 2, that's mean you have to check the table of 2. Any number you are dividing, you will check the table of 2. If you want to divide 12 into 2 groups, if you want to share 12 objects into 2 groups, so you can check the table of 2. In table of 2, you will check how many times of 2 is giving you 12. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and 2 sixes are 12. So 2 6 are 12. That's why the answer is 6. This is the division you can do with the help of table. And that will help you a lot. When you find any question, any difficult question, if you know the table, you can do it very quickly. It will save your time. Other methods, you need time to answer. But if you know the table, you can directly answer. And when you come to learn long division, so obviously this table method will help you a lot. Okay, because every time you will not make a group, and other methods you need pictures and you need other things. You need something to make group, and you need to work long for that. But if you know the table, you can do it fast. Well, then the third method and the fourth method, the last method which we learned, is to make a group and to find out the answer by making groups. How to do it, guys? To make a group, first we should know that in how many groups we are going to divide? 2. Let's suppose we are going to, if we are going to make into 2 equal groups, then what I will do, I will count 2 and I will make one group. So actually I am going to make group of 2 because we are dividing it by 2. So I am going to make group of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. In the end, we will see how many groups we make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 group we make, so the answer will be 6. 12 divided by 2 will be equals to 6. So guys, up to here, everything is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
That's very good. So today we are going to practice again. So come to the practice sheet. First question from this worksheet, then we will go to the another worksheet. Okay. So I am going to come to you with the question number B. Share 16 nuts equally among 4 squirrels. Okay. This is the questions, and I'll come to you one by one. Guys, tell me, is there any student who could not participate in yesterday class? If there is any student who could not participate in yesterday class, please send a message so that I can give him chance first. And no need to raise your hand, please. No need to raise your hand. I'll come to you one by one. Okay. If there is any student who could not participate in yesterday class, send a message in the chat box so that I can give you chance first. If no, then I'll come to you one by one. Okay. So, Abdul Rahman Muhammad Hamdi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abdul Rahman, answer me question number C. C.
16
No,
nuts
no, leave it.
among 4.
For question number 16, divide
Share
18 into,
pieces of
listen my
cheese
question
equally
first,
among
9 mice. Okay. Now,
okay.
18 divided by 9. You have to share 18 pieces of cheese among 9 mice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 2 groups.
2 groups?
8. Yes,
Each-
2
each-
groups.
So each mouse
2
will get
groups.
how many pieces of cheese?
2 groups. 9. 9.
Should I write here 9?
Yes. No, no.
Okay.
No, 2.
2. Are you sure?
Yes, I sure.
Good. Okay.
2.
Count with me. I will also make a group.
2 multiply 9 equal 18.
Good. Count with me. 1,
Big.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This is one group. Another 9. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So
So
there are 2 groups.
yes, absolutely right.
18 divided by 9 equal 2 because 2 multiply 9 equal 18.
That's very good. Thank you.
Each mouse gets 6 pieces of cheese. 9.
No. Each mouse will get 2 pieces of cheese if you divide 18 pieces of cheese equally among 9 mice. So guys, the question was to divide 18 pieces of cheese equally among 9 mice. So he used the group method. He count 9 pieces of cheese, then make one group. Again count 9, again make another group. So total groups he make 2. That's why 18 divided by 9 answer is 2. Each mouse will get 2 pieces of cheese. Okay, so this is the answer. Now I'm going to come to another student. to take answer from him. Who is next after Abdul Rahman? This is Abdul Basit Walid. Abdul Basit Walid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Basit Walid. Abdul Basit, answer me question number B. Share 16 nuts equally among 4 squirrels.
What?
Share 16 nuts equally among 4 squirrels. Each squirrel will get how many nuts?
1, 2.
Wait. Let me do it for you. Count with me. I will do it for you. Okay. So that other students can also see what you are doing. Okay. Count.
Divides 2
1, 2,
equals 8.
8. How?
Yes.
Count with me. Make groups. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Uh-huh.
6.
You have to make group of 4 or group of 5?
4.
4. So after 4, make a group. After 4, make one group. Then count again.
2.
1,
1, 2, 3,
Three.
4.
again make a group. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So each squirrel will get how many nuts?
4.
4. How do you know?
Yes.
No, how do you know that the answer is 4?
16.
Because the number of groups are 4. Because you make 4 groups. The total groups you make are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You make 4 groups. That's why the answer is 4. Okay?
Yes.
Good. All right. I repeat, guys. When you divide 16 nuts equally from 4 squirrels, how he divided? He make groups. Groups of what? Group of 4. Because you are dividing 4, so he is making group of 4. Count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make one group. Again counted 4. Again made one group. Again counted 4. Again make one group. And once the squirrels are finished, then he counted how many groups of 4 he made. So he made 4 groups. That's why the answer is 4. Each squirrel will get 4 nuts. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, very good. So now we'll go for one more worksheet. Here. Divide the food between the kids and write the division equation. This is the worksheet, and I'm going to come to one of the student, and this is Abdullah Mustafa. Boys, I told you not to raise your hand. Abdul Rahman,
Yes,
Yusuf,
sir.
and Nasser, Ahmad, please lower your hand. Otherwise, you will miss your chance.
Yes, sir.
Abdullah Mustafa, how are you? Good?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abdullah, you have to divide the food between kids. Okay, so divide these bananas into 3 kids. How many bananas are there?
Nine.
9 bananas are there. And you have to distribute into how many kids?
3.
3. So can I write here 3 divided by 9?
No.
No?
9 divided by 3.
Oh, sorry. I will write here 9 divided by 3, okay? Now, divide these food into 3 kids, 9 divided by 3. And tell me what will be the answer.
Making groups.
Okay. Make groups, count. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Should I make a group of 3?
Yes.
Okay. Then again,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Again, one group.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, and 3. Yes.
It
What is it?
makes 3 groups.
3 groups. So how many bananas does each kid get?
3.
3. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
That's absolutely right, guys. There are total 9 bananas. First you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are distributing in 3 kids. So you will count 3 and make group. 1, 2, 3 make group. 1, 2, 3 make group. 1, 2, 3 make group. How many groups of 3 you make? 3. So the answer is 3. Then the next question for this cake, I'll take answer from one of the student. Yeah, I'll send you worksheet. I'll send you the worksheets, guys, after the unit. Okay, I'll send you the worksheet. Okay, and guys, don't send me useless messages in the chat. Okay, I'm going to take one student. This is now Abdullah Al Salhi. Abdullah Al Salhi. Abdullah Al Salhi, can you hear me? Abdullah Al Salhi, can you hear me? Abd Al Rahman Yusuf. Yes. Abd, please divide the cupcakes into these 2 kids. Count first how many cupcakes are there. Yes. How many cupcakes are there? Abdul Rahman Yusuf. I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Why you
Yes,
close your
sir.
mouth? Answer me.
10.
Yes. Divide these cupcakes into 2 kids.
2.
How many cakes are there?
10.
10. Good. And you have to divide 10 cakes into how many kids?
2.
2. Okay. So 10 divided by 2. Can I write here 10 divided by 2?
10 divided by 2 equals 5.
5. How do you know?
5.
How do you know?
2. Group.
Group or table?
Both are then.
All right, that's good. If you are using table, so that's fine. You can use the table also. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Okay. He said 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. I don't know his answer is correct or no. I'll take one student. Abdul Al Sahi is not responding, so I'll go for Adam Al Sayyed. Adam Al Sayyed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Adam. Can you divide these cakes into 2 kids?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There are 10 cakes.
10 cakes.
Okay.
Yes.
You are dividing 10 cakes into 2 kids.
Yes.
Okay. Once you divide 10 in 2 kids, one will get how many cakes?
10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 5.
Yes, very good. How do you know?
5.
How do you know?
Because 10 divided by 2 equal 20.
Equal 5. You know with the help of table of 2?
Yeah.
Good, very good. Thank you. That's absolutely right, guys. When you have 10 cakes, you divide it 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 2 by 4, 8, and 2 by 5, 10. Now, this question, how many pretzels are there? You have to distribute these pretzels into 4 kits. And for this, I'm going to take one student and Ahmad Saifuddin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmad, can you divide these pretzels into 4 kits?
Yes.
Tell me, count first, how many pretzels are there total?
1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many are there?
8.
8. Good. And you have to distribute in to how many kids?
3. 5. 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. So what should I write here?
8.
8. Very good. And what should I write here? Divisor?
4.
4. And what will be the answer when you divide these 8 pretzels in 4 kids?
2.
2. Very good. How do you know? How do you know?
Multiply.
With the help of table. That's very good. Thank you. So he said that we will have, each kid will get 2. Let's check with one of the one more student, that is Anas Ayman Shahata.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anas. Divide these pretzels into 4 kits.
There are 8 pretzels, and we divide by 4 groups is equal to 2.
Very good. How do you know?
I make groups.
Okay. Can you help me to make groups?
Yes.
1,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3, 4.
Good. How many groups you make?
2.
2. That's why the answer is 2. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, guys, the pretzels were 8. You have to divide into 4 groups. If you don't know the table of 4, then you can make groups, count 4. Because you are dividing in 4 groups, count 4, make a group. Make group of 4. So there will be 2 group of 4. That's why you will say that each will get 2 pretzels if you divide into 4. Now the next student will be, guys, I told you not to raise your hand. Even 5, 6 students are raising the hand. Don't raise your hand, otherwise you will miss your chance. And then Asar Muhammad. Asar Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Asar, there are some cherries and you have to distribute in 2 kits. Tell me how many cherries each will get.
3.
How many total cherries are there? First count them.
6.
Count the number of cherries.
12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No, there are no 12 cherries. Count with me. 1,
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
19? No, 19.
18.
Yeah, there are 18 chocolates. Sorry, 18 cherries. Now divide 18 cherries into 2 kids.
9 plus 9.
If you divide 18, you are dividing 18 cherries. So in the division sentence, what should I write first?
18 divide 2 equal 9.
18 divided 2 equals 9. How do you know?
Because 2 multiply 9 equal 18.
Very good. 2 multiplied by 9 equals 18. That's perfect answer. And we will check this question with one more student. And after Acer, this is Bander.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bander. Could you divide these cherries into 2 kids?
Sure.
Okay, do it. How many cherries are there? First, check.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18.
18. So what should I write here?
18.
Okay, and divided by
2.
2. Okay, if you divide 18 by 2, so each kid will get how many?
Equal 9.
9. Are you sure?
Yes.
How do you know? Yes.
9. Double 18.
Okay, 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. You use the table?
Yes.
Very good. That's very good. Thank you.
2 by 9.
Very good. 2 by 9 is 18. So he used the table, guys. 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. So he checked the table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, and 2 9s are 18. That's why 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. And the answer is 9. After Bander, there is Fahad Al-Utebi. I will come to him. Fahad Al-Utebi.
Yes, sir.
Fahad, divide these bananas equally into 3 kits.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Tell me.
9 division equals 3.
9 division 3 equals 3. How? How it is 3? How you solved? How do you know?
Groups.
Groups?
2 groups. 2 groups.
2 groups or 3 groups?
3 kids.
3 groups. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a group. Then 1, 2, 3. Make another group. And 1, 2, 3. Make another group. That's very good. So each kid will get how many banana?
9 banana.
No. If you distribute 9 bananas in 3 kids, so everyone will get how many banana?
3 kids.
No.
3 kids.
How many banana each kid get? One will get how many bananas? 3. If you distribute 9 bananas equally into 3 kids, so each will get 3 bananas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. After Fahad, this is Faris.
Yes, sir.
Faris, divide the cakes into two kits.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cakes.
Tell me the division sentence first.
Two children. So 10 division 2 equal 5. 2 multiply 5 equal to 10.
Very good. Okay, tell me. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So how many cakes each kid will get?
10. 5.
5 or 10?
5.
Very good. 5 this will take, and 5 this will take, and the total are 10. So 5 and 5, 10. Okay. So the answer
Yeah.
is the 10 divided by 2 equals 5. That's why each will take 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. And after Faris, we have Ghazi Ali. Ghazi Ali,
Yes, sir.
divide these pretzels into 4 kits. This one. Count how many pretzels are there and divide it into 4 kits.
8.
8 are there. So 8 division.
8
Division.
division 4.
Very good. Answer then, if you divide 8 by 4, then what will be the answer?
2.
2. Very good. How do you know? Yes.
Because
use it.
all of them is 8. All is 4. 8.
You use the table or you make group?
8.
Table?
8.
Now, how you solve? Are you checking the table of 2? Because 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. That's why you said it is 2. Or 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Are you checking the table of 4? Or you are making group of 4?
Yeah.
Look, you can make group of 4 like here 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
One group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another group. How many groups you make? 2. That's why the answer is 2. Okay. Good. So 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. And after Ghazi, we have Hamza Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Hamza Muhammad, divide these cherries into 2 kits.
Divided by 2 equals 9.
18 divided by 2 equals 9. That's very good. How do you know that 18 divided by 2 is 9?
9 multiplied by 2 equals 18.
Very good. You know the table of 9?
No.
Okay. Because of table of 2, you know, right?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, Ibrahim Amr. Ibrahim Amr.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ibrahim, you have to distribute these bananas equally to these 3 kits.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas.
9 bananas are there. Good.
9.
Yes. 9 divided by?
By 9 by 9 by 1.
You are distributing in how many kids? 1, 2, and 3. In how many groups?
9 by 3
Good. 9 by 3 equals to?
equals
Yes. 9 divided by 3 equals? You can make group. You are dividing in 3 people, make group of 3. 1, 2, 3. Make one group. 1, 2, 3. Make another group. And 1, 2, 3. Make another group. How many group of 3 you make? 3.
9.
3 group of 3 you make. That's why the answer is 3. Okay. So 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Then I will come to the students now who raised the hand. And Anas Ayman, they are missed. Anas Ayman Ilayan. Anas Ayman Ilayan. Anas Ayman, can you hear me? Ibrahim Muhyiddin.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They both now.
Sir. I am Anas Ayman Aliyan Daraka.
Okay, Anas Ayman, please answer this one. Distribute the
1,
cake.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, this cake. Distribute in
Cake.
pieces. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Okay.
5.
Divide into 2 kids. Each will get? Yes, 10 divided by 2 equals?
5.
Very good. All right, guys. So Ahmad Mazen, Ibrahim Muhyiddin, and Faisal. I think only these 3 students are left. So in the next class, send a message in the chat box. I will ask you first. Okay. So this is the end of our class, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. See you next class.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.